gosh, baby. There's a busted water line, so, and he didn't know. It's my fault. I didn't realize he was on this side of the yard helping me, so I didn't get a chance to tell him. But if you come down, get anywhere down right past here at all, it just, you go in this ditch because that busted water line. He didn't know it earlier, so. They tried to fix it 2 or 3 times and dug it up, but I don't know what the deal is. But one of them water lines going off to the house is busted. I'm guessing right there, that one. We're going to this one. And this one's for sale. Crossville, Tennessee. Y'all like it? Interstate right here, Genesis Road right there, Buc-ee's, anything you could want. Walmart's about 5 minutes that way. You're right here in the edge of Crossville.